Now that one is messing with the circulation of the sex organs, so it's the first one that's had I suppose the liver has a hormonal connection. Liver has to break down all our hormones. I'm slow sometimes. Yeah, I'll just chuck this here. So I'm going to do that wide muscle test on each side.
Yeah.
Hold out for me. Okay. And hold out. Okay. And hold up. And hold up. So right and both. Did you see the specialist yet, or is that next week?
That's next week. On Tuesday, unfortunately.
Yeah, no, I saw that in the afternoon. That's cool. Yeah, cool.
Looking forward to getting answers.
Exactly. So, once again, that's the body wanting to run away. So it's escape, submission, freeze within the tissue of the sex organs. Chronic inflammation will do that. Okay, so through neurovascular points. Yeah, 6. And again, hold, beautiful, hold. And just this side, hold, excellent. The cell danger response isn't showing up today in relation to the pH, that's good. Let me just check in relation to SIRS. It's a chronic inflammatory response syndrome. Generally, hold, it's about molds and they get into the lungs. Well, that's about 80% of it, but that inflammatory response can be anywhere in the body, where the body just learns a new normal, which is chronically inflamed. So your question is, do you have to accept a new normal? I really don't think so, but we still have to convince the body that it's okay to go back to normal. So this is the first time SIRS has shown up for us in our balances. Unless I've done it and I haven't written it down. I'm usually pretty good with my notes. Once again, body wanting to run away, escape, submission, freeze. There's a bit of that going on in this circuit. Just SIRS and in all organs being affected. Okay, so we're back to the circulation of the sex organs again. And again, hold out and hold out. And hold up. Hold up. Okay, so not that one this time. Okay. given that it's a pH balance, just about the emotion, the amygdala connection to just about every organ has been wanting to run away, escape, submission, freeze. So even though survival stuff didn't show up, wanting to run away will shut down the immune system, it will shut down the gut, it will sort of do a very quick, mobilization in the body as if you need to run away and protect yourself. So that would be suppressing the immune system, suppressing the ability to balance itself back out pH-wise, because in danger our body will want to be more acidic. It wants to get, the energy into the legs, into the arms, so we can run or climb the tree or chase whatever we have to do to protect ourselves. And again, hot out, beautiful. Oh, excellent. So SIRS, circsex. Okay, any other organs connected to the SIRS? And because molds is one of the things connected to SIRS, I will check that specifically. I can't think that it's, we've had fungus and candida and stuff. I can't think that I've ever tested it or that it's shown, but while we're here, in relation to molds and mold spores. And just double checking any organs. Okay, no. I do have a page of mold toxins, I can check that as well, just to make sure. I've never paid attention to it with the common cold. Coronavirus, 10 to 15% of the common viruses are, common cold.
Yeah.
Gotta love a new strain. Oh, that's good. Let's check any and all yeast infections. And hold, 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 hold. I know it's been pretty hot up north, not sure if you're drinking beer, but if you're drinking beer that tends to feed yeast infections. I think you can get yeast-free beers these days, but the magic, when you've got an infection, the magic alcohol to drink is vodka, lime and soda. Any and all organs. We need to balance in relation to yeast. Small intestine. Small intestine. And wanting to run away again. human endogenous retroviruses.